Welcome to the land of forgotten projects. Reliant Fox. Sorry about the wind. I don't know what that is, but I know it's glass fibre. A Land Rover on a Range Rover chassis. A Suzuki. Two Suzuki SJs. MG Sprite chassis, according to my good friend. Another forgotten project. Forgotten. The land that time forgot. Go Asheen. We want to go and see this digger. What's that, buttock? They're coming up here anyway. Who? What? They went and turned at Kennox. A super major. Here, see you with the wellies. My brother's going to take you across to see another car. Well, rotten now,
Aye. Some weight and steel. MGs.
What, an MG?
Scimitar. An MG.
Aye.
Under there. If I'm right.
What's this, a super major?
Virgin Suit, yeah. Power Ranger. Super Major.
Power major. That's your father, right?
Aye. What about the good when it came here?
This belonged to our father years ago. Hence the reason I took you to see it. But I can't give you the location, of course. I've got to protect people's privacy. But what's left of a Mini over there in the ground?
Austin Champ chassis. Under all that.
What's the van?
Eh?
What's that van?
Sherpa. Drove in there. Oh no, I'm wrong. Range Rover.
What, the wheels? Are they not up a forward control?
Range Rover's chassis. Austin Champ chassis. Belfast think.
Caravan axle, is it? Land Rover cars.
Caravan axle.
Highland Council bid. Highland Council bid. So somewhere in the Highlands. Maybe in the middle of Timbuktu. If you want to know where this place is, ask the man that lives in Timbuktu. Shut up. A nymph? Is that not one of them funny women?
No.
Round fox. For your Hubnut fans. Eh? Is that a Wolseley?
Radiator cap.
V4 is it?
I don't know.
A V6 is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, V6. Land Rover. Forward control chassis, sorry. Or a Land Rover 101, is it? Is it 101 forward control? Ford something or other. Another Ford something or other. Another Land Rover. Jago, that's it. If it's a Ford, it's Suzuki SJ. I think that's another SJ. We can't really get down there, it's a bit dangerous. Try and get down, but
Oh, black cans. Volvo. Scimitars. Old breakdown. Yeah, can't get in there. Land Rover. Various wheels. Snapped in half old Anderson.
I snapped in half Series 3 Land Rover 1978. Remember when that came here?
I think the missus was trying to call you.
Remember when that came here? Ah, the wife tried to call me. Sorry about that, folks. The wife was trying to call me. I'm an old caravan. And I think that'll conclude our tour. Before I give too much away about where our location is.